Let me ask you a quick question. How many times a day does this happen? You receive an email, then you go over to ODOO and you create a record. Then you go back to the email, download the attachments, and then upload them into ODOO. Your answer should be 0. Or close to 0. With one of my favorite features in ODOO, you really have no reason to be doing this on a regular basis. If you're not using aliases, you owe it to yourself to watch this video and save your company a ton of time. I'm going to show you what an alias is, and then I'm going to show you 3 different places inside of ODOO where aliases are most helpful. So what is an alias? Well, basically, it's a specific email address that ODOO listens to. So when an email is received at that email address, it creates a new record and puts the body of the email in the chatter along with the attachments. It saves a ton of time. Let's hop into our first example to illustrate this better. Inside the CRM, we can set up aliases by sales team. So essentially what happens is if we receive an email at info@odoityourselfdemo5.odoo.com, it's going to create a new opportunity for my sales team here. So let's go ahead and send an email to this alias. We've got it set up with the correct email address. We've got a nice subject here, we've got a body, and I've got an attachment as well. So let's go ahead and send this. You see this? How awesome is that? Here's our subject, came from my email, and here's the body of what we sent to that email, along with the attachments here. Now, how long would that have taken me or one of my employees to do? I mean, I don't care how many words per minute you can type. It's going to take you a few minutes to get that in. Now, hopefully the wheels in your head are starting to turn and you're looking at how much value this could provide to you and your company. That being said, let's look at 2 other places in ODOO where aliases are part of the base functionality. Oh, and then we'll touch on briefly how you can use aliases in other places. So here's one. Inside of Help Desk, you can see the alias is listed right here. This is for our VIP support help desk. So if one of our VIPs sends an email here, it's going to automatically create a help desk ticket. That way we can get it taken care of very quickly. We can also see aliases active in accounting. So if we go into accounting, you can see the alias right here for vendor bills. So now our AP bookkeeper doesn't have to worry about putting this in themselves. It automatically throws on the attachments and it gives us a nice paper trail as well. But what if you really like the idea of aliases and you want to do more with them? Let's go ahead and look at this real quick. So we've got all our aliases right here so we can keep track of them. But if we're to create a new one, we can set up that email address. We can choose the model it creates a new record in. And then we can come in and set up default values based on this email address. So that's aliases in a nutshell. A super powerful functionality inside of ODOO. I hope each of you take a little bit of time to play around with this because there's tons of time that you can save for you and your company. As always, thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you got some value from this and hope to see you again soon. Thanks.